Welcome. In front of me is a Listo SP50, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. And to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. It can be any kind of application. And once you have it open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. You get this animation to signify that you have captured the screenshot. So that is how you could capture it. Now sometimes there's another way by holding the power key, but it looks like that's not the case here. So anyway, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your photo galleries. So I'm going to quickly look where that is. Oh, photos, there we go. And you should see your screenshot right here. Now if you have more photos than just one, it will create categories at the bottom and folders. And screenshots will be located always in the screenshot folder. So you can find it there. And as you can see, there is the screenshot. So that being said, this is how you'd capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.